Hello everyone, welcome to this presentation. This is a presentation by students of Sri Baba Masnath Public School. This is a presentation on art integrated project on Telangana which is correlated with the subject maths. This is a presentation by Group Miracle, Group Leader Himanshi, Group Members Muskan Jain, Shreya Bansal. Class 10th Yellow. Acknowledgement. I would like to express my special thanks of gratitude to my teacher Mrs. Babita Malik as well as our principal Mrs. Kamla Gill who gave us the golden opportunity to do this wonderful project on Telangana which also helped us in doing lot of research and we came to know about so many new things. I am really thankful to them. Secondly, I would also like to thank my parents and friends who helped me a lot in finalizing this project within the limited time frame. Now let's talk something about Telangana state. Telangana is the 29th state of India formed on 2nd of June 2014. Telangana was separated from northwestern part of Andhra Pradesh as a newly formed state with Hyderabad as its capital. The state has an area of 11207 square kilometer and has population of around 3 crores. Religions in Telangana: Hinduism, Islam, Christianity and others. Now let's talk about the percentage of the people in particular religion. 85.09% of the population belongs from Hinduism religion, 12.68% of the population belongs from Islam religion, 1.3% of the population belong from Christianity religion and 0.9% of the people belong from other religion. In this pie chart, we can see that the people belonging to Hinduism religion are in majority and people belonging from Christianity religion are in minority. That is, Hindus are in majority and Christians are in minority. Now let's talk about the agriculture of Telangana. The state has 60 to 65 lakh farmers and about 90 to 95% of the population still depend upon agriculture. Total geographical area of Telangana is 2.7 crore acres. Total area of agriculture is 1.06 crore and total area covered by forest is 61.77 lakh acres. Now talk about the major crops which is grown in Telangana. Now the first crop is rice. Telangana is the rice bowl of South India. Rice is cultivated in about 44 lakh acres of area. Rice bowl of India is termed to be as Telangana. The second crop is maize. Maize is the second major cultivated crop in Telangana. Area of cultivation 14 lakh acres, production 16 lakh tons, used for human food and animal feed, also widely used in corn starch industry. Third crop is jawar. Jawar is an important rabi season crop. Area of cultivation is 1.20 lakh acres, production 4.66 million tons, also known as sorghum and corn, used as fodder, animal feed and human consumption. Now the fourth crop is cotton. Cotton is popularly called as white gold, grown in most part of Telangana. Area of cultivation is 12.5 lakh hectares, production 48 lakh bales. Now here is the graphical representation of area of crop in Telangana. In this chart, we can see that among these crops, rice is cultivated in large area of Telangana and jawar is cultivated in less area of Telangana, whereas maize and cotton are cultivated in almost equal area. Graphical representation of production of crops in Telangana. Among all these crops, cotton is produced in large amount in Telangana. Increasing population of different districts of Telangana. Now in this we can see that the population of different districts of Telangana is increasing year by year. Beauty of Telangana. There are various monuments, temples, and tourist places for which Telangana is famous. Thanks for watching this presentation.